Beautiful townhome and best location in Cookeville. Open floor plan living area with corner gas fireplace has a lovely view of the golf course and the homeowner's beautiful flower garden. Patio has been enlarged to approximately 16 feet x 16 feet. Inside has unique hickory floors through main living area and master bedroom. Both bedrooms, loft and living area have vaulted ceilings. Master bath was recently renovated with a lovely walk-in four-way shower, double sinks and double closets. Stylish kitchen has quartz counters and there is a Wi-Fi thermostat with low monthly utilities. Enjoy walking the neighborhood or relax at the pool shared by Fairways owners.